Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually hide the page in your WordPress website, how you can even hide the post or whatever you like to remove or even hide. So basically in this tutorial we will start with going to the dashboard again. So with every tutorial we go first to the dashboard because it is the essential of your website. So from here guys, we'll have all of these menus. For those who doesn't know how to open dashboard, go to wordpress.com/wp-admin. Of course you will have to get an account. I've already made a lot of videos about WordPress and create an account and the dashboard, so make sure to check it out after this video. Now let's stay focused with this tutorial until the end so you don't miss anything. Now after this page will be open for us, let's go to our page and let's create a new one. So create a new page, and here we go. Here we can name it, for example, football. And here we can do the same, football, here like that, hidden, and let's add a text which will be something like that, and here we go. Now after we click on publish, the page will be shown for everyone, and sometimes it will be added to your menu so everyone will be able to see it. So if you go to user blog, here is the page like home. Okay, for us in this tutorial it is not showed, but for some of you guys it will be showed for you. So how you can remove or hide this page, basically go to your dashboard again, and from there guys what you have to do is go to pages. Once again, this method will work also for posts and medias and comments or whatever you want. So we added this page which is called football. What you have to do is click on edit, and for example you have created a new page. Before you click on publish, you can click in here. It will be here a word which is written like make it draft. So when you make it drafts, no one will be able to see it. Again, if you come here, for example football, and you click on for example edit again, and from here you click something like that, and here for example you can click on move to trash. That's how you can hide your page. Of course it is move to trash, yeah, it is deleted, but it's not permanently deleted. It is still here and you can restart whenever you want guys. So guys, that's how you can hide a page in your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.